Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, and we are here in the Supercar Street Racing kitchen this morning, prepping for new windows for the house. So we're getting all brand new windows put in today, but I gotta get these blinds off. I didn't know I had to do it myself, but I'm gonna have to do that work. So let's get all these blinds taken down today on Supercar Street Racing and get some windows put in. Now we only have 3 of these to take down with these type of shades, and they're pretty simple. You just unscrew a wing nut and they come right out. But also the hardware has to come out. The mounting hardware needs to come out as well, unfortunately. And it is going to make my life difficult. Okay, all of the windows are clear now for the new window guys to come in and go ahead and install those. So that's all we have to do for right now. We're just waiting for them to show up in the next hour and we'll get busy with the rest. right, little update here from Supercar Street Racing in the kitchen. Ace Windows and Doors did finish these 3 windows. All I have to do is figure out how to get these stickers off and then also put the blinds back up. So I'm gonna work on that right now. And these just come right off with the peel sat. That new window peel sat is so good in your life, and you love the new window peel sat. That peel sat feels so good on the new window when you peel it, and you get the satisfaction on the new window peel with the satisfaction. And the Guys, we're standing here in the finished Supercar Street Racing kitchen where you guys just saw me put the blinds back up for these 3 windows. Now here is a good close-up look at these frame-in windows that do not require hacking up of your house. These are put straight over your existing frame, so they pull out the window from the frame and then they replace these, and you do not have to cut anything on the drywall and stuff. And the one for the garage is ordered. They had the wrong one shipped from the factory. So let's show you now what it looks like in the theater room. Now we are in the theater room where this was the actual window that had the worst problem. This window was fogged up and cracked. And so now we have this nice, beautiful view outside and this brand new window in the home theater room. And it looks really good. We're out here in the messy bedroom, and this is the other window that was replaced, and this one also has a window unit in it. So the window unit went right back in, and this will not get a screen. but you can see how clean the install is. It literally is seamless. You cannot even tell what they did in here. And this was Ace Windows and Doors out of Jacksonville, Florida, but I believe I paid around $2,500 for all these windows to be replaced. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows for about $2,500 plus a permit fee. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we are so happy to have you supporting Supercar Street Racing. Do me a big favor, click like, click subscribe, leave a comment, and make sure you buy all of your Amazon through any of my links in the description of the videos. It doesn't have to be the product that you're buying in the description. You can click through the link and it will help us out greatly by giving us $1 or $2 here or there. And we will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.